Here's a quick run through of how to generate your annual stats report and submit them directly to AAUS. Select reports from the left hand side in your main navigation menu and then click AAUS report. You're going to submit for last year, 2018, select that from the drop down. Once you hit submit, you'll get the calculated data shown for you in the standard report format that you're used to from the old web logger and from previous ways of submitting it. All the headline stats are summarized for you at the top, and then each of the different categories which AAUS requires reporting on is listed in the detail of the report down below. Each number in each cell is a hot link, so you can inspect the dives that are driving that statistic. If anything looks a bit off, you can go down and see the log where that came from. In this case, this was a really deep dive, required decompression. That may be correct, it may be not correct, but here's a quick way that you can dive down into the underlying data just to make sure no one has made a mistake. Here's another one that looks a bit unusual. Click it, see what it is. Surface applied, unlikely to have actually happened. So if we do want to edit it, use the quick link to the edit tools there. Change the underlying log. And anytime you do that, you can just click recalculate report and it'll use the updated logs to populate the report. Submitting to AAUS is as simple as clicking upload to AAUS. Log in with the credentials for the AAUS Stats site. It'll log you in, determine the institution that you belong to, and just verify that. What then happens is you get a submission form with all the data that you've just inspected in the format ready to push directly to the AAUS portal. It's actually editable, so you can change any values in here, but we recommend that you do make sure that it's the underlying logs that are changed, not just what you submit. As soon as you're ready, click upload, and that pushes it directly into AAUS. You'll get an email confirmation and a note on the screen saying that that has been submitted, and that's it, as simple as that.